myself, my siblings, Dad and Mom on a typical weekday. Waking up early in the morning. Breakfast. Of course, Julia eats all the cookies. Packing up. And off we go on the bus to school while Mom waves us goodbye. Until the coronavirus came and we found ourselves locked at home like other billions of people in the world. But what if our new lives are like the ones of modern monks in ancient monasteries?
Ciao a tutti. We are stuck in the house. The lockdown totally upset our routine. And now it's chaos.
With Dad working every day from home, my siblings and I doing remote learning, it is difficult to stay disciplined and keeping an orderly schedule. The house turns easily into a mess. Mom just can't keep up with all the house chores.
This is not right. We have to do something.
While the Roman Empire was crushing under the invasions of barbarians, monks started living together with almost no contact with the outside world, and they gave themselves a rule of life. Order and civilization could start again around monasteries. Maybe we need a rule for our family too. As usual, Mom has an idea, which hopefully will work.
Ragazzi, attenti, ho scritto le regole e voglio massima obbedienza, Maria Chiara?
Mom came up with a sort of 10 commandments for my family. There is a timetable balancing tasks for learning, taking care of ourselves and of the younger siblings, and for doing house chores. We sat down to discuss the rules to come to an agreement. If we do not follow Mom's rule, chaos will continue or get worse. Maybe we will end up like the ancient Romans. I guess we have no other options. Some sacrifice is the price we have to pay for staying together and going through the virus crisis. Our daily routine has changed. It's a bit like living in a monastery. Our daily activities are paced and there is order. Dad goes to work nice and tidily, but this time he does not need a car. We start online school according to Mom's timetable. Teachers and schoolmates are there too. Only Julia does not seem to be wanting to follow the rule, as usual, but we take care of her learning in turns.
Nice dog, Julia. Can you draw a circle? And now a squiggly line. Ooh, nice egg.
We work out after school hours, and even Julia seems to enjoy it.
Back until thighs are parallel to the floor.
We have dinner and then wash the dirty dishes. Last but not least, praying as a family. This is the end of the first day with the rules, and it went amazing.
In this challenging time, only faith and love can keep us together. If you want to watch more video about family care, click here. And don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
We hope the COVID crisis will be over soon for everybody in the world. We reckon that going back to our previous lives will not be the same as it was before. We learned a lot. Staying and praying together has helped my family to grow stronger. And now, we really can say that every day is a sunny day in Toni's home, even with the virus out there.